Good morning, winners. This is Sasha Fearless, here to let you know that you are beautiful and good enough to accomplish anything that you want in life. In today's video, I'm going to take this easy wear Teaneck braiding hair and turn it into a beautiful curly crochet braid style. I will be using 4 packs of this hair to create the look, but right here it shows you the color 4. This is actually old footage because I accidentally deleted the footage of me curling the hair, so I'm sorry, but I'll be using the number 1B for this look. So you guys, in the footage that I accidentally deleted, it's pretty much the same process as this one. The only difference is I took larger sections. So for this, you're seeing me roll the hair around small pieces of hair, but in actuality for this look that I'm about to show you guys, I used about 8 to 10 rods per pack of hair. Once I'm done wrapping the hair, I just put it in a bowl and then throw some boiling hot water in there. Let it sit for a few minutes and then take it out. Once the hair on the rods are completely dry, then it's time for the install. So, see, what had happened was I actually filmed me crocheting this hair from start to finish. But the thing is, I accidentally deleted the footage of me starting to crochet the hair, and I have no idea where the footage is. I'm so sorry. So this is where I'm at right now. Everything else is gone. The good news is I have another video showing me doing the same process from start to finish. That way you won't miss out on anything. I'm gonna link it right above. So right here, you guys, I'm pretty much finished with the install process. I'm just adding some Eco Styler gel on the edges to smooth it down. So when I crochet the hair, I don't crochet it all the way directly onto the hairline because I want it to look like a natural hairline. So I leave some hairs in the front so I can gel down that part. This is what the hair looks like directly after I crocheted it. This is before any shaping or anything. This right here is the final look. I hope you enjoyed watching. Thank you so much. And if you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. And also click the notification bell if you'd like to see more.